Welcome to 765 O'Farrell number 44. This is a top floor downtown Tenderloin Junior 1 bedroom that's just been remodeled head to toe. We're in what would be the living room, and it has a partial bay window that looks down onto a courtyard. Gives you some nice sky, so you get some nice light up here. The floors have all been resanded and refinished. You have a partial wall that separates your living area and your bedroom. Brand new door. And then the bedroom here. This door goes to a large walk-in closet I'll show you. You have some nice details with the moldings, the picture frame moldings. Off the living room is an all-new kitchen. It's really gorgeous. It's got a white marble floor, a brand new refrigerator, a quartz countertop, an vanity deco gas range, all new cabinets and drawers. I believe these are the self-closing cabinets and drawers. You have a black granite backsplash tile, retractable faucet, full-size stainless sink. And your kitchen has a dining area here that has a nice sunny window and a little shelf. So full separate kitchen, living room, bedroom that is separated by a partial wall. You have an opening up here from the bedroom. The ladder goes away. There's a very large closet. It has some built-in shelving here in the closet. And the owner's installed some ventilation so you get some air in the closet, because in the past tenants have used this as a sleeping area. So you could use this apartment as a two-bedroom. There's a foyer that features a second closet with shelf. And the bath is all brand new. It has a flecked quartz countertop. Custom vanity, marble tile throughout, floor to ceiling, and your brand new bathtub with glass door. There's a new double pane window there, new light fixture, another new light fixture. If you're interested in 765 O'Farrell, number 44, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. I'll show you another shot of this kitchen, which is surprisingly nice.